Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Shamwari Lockdown. Day 14, I think. With the addition of a few extra days, which is okay. It just means I'm gonna have to probably start talking about termite mounds. But it's a glorious, glorious morning on Shamwari. As I'm heading out, the sun is just busy rising. I have my morning coffee, so hopefully we find something interesting to enjoy. Morning monkeys, having breakfast in the sweet thorn acacia tree. I've just found a pug mark from a leopard. It's not the freshest, but it's fresh enough to make me want to concentrate on this area and see if we can pick up on any more activity. Exactly what I was hoping for. We've got incredibly fresh leopard tracks over here. I'm not even going to get out of my vehicle. It's so fresh. You can see those 3 lobes at the back of the pad, and you can actually see the hair impressions left by this animal. It is very fresh. I'm going to follow up. There's a redneck Franklin busy alarm calling. There's obviously something that it's unhappy about. Hopefully a predator. Look very closely there, guys. It's that big golden eye busy watching us. Well, it's taken us a bit of time, but we've eventually found our male leopard, our tomboy. Super chilled, super relaxed. And he's just lying on a game trail. And he puts his head down, sleeps, wakes up. Gone back to sleep for a little bit. I've been with him for about an hour now, and he's just super relaxed. He's obviously had a long night of patrolling his territory, scent marking, looking for females. So he's just stood up and he's starting to move up the side of this mountain slope that I'm on the edge of the game trail. I'm gonna try and reposition and stay with him as long as I can. You can see the amazing effect that leopard's coat has in camouflaging it. You only get to see it when it moves through in the open areas, and when there is movement. The rest of the time, he's just so well camouflaged. He just blends in. So this is obviously one of our territorial resident leopards on Shamwari. He's busy smelling where he obviously previously have scented before. They spray urinate to mark their territory. At that height, it's probably one of his previous spray sites. Just naturally shy and secretive animals, and we were very fortunate to see this guy so well today. He's just heading along this game trail. It's too thick for me to follow, so I'm going to leave him be. He's given us an amazing sighting. Well, guys, that was special. We found the tracks. We listened to the birds. We listened to the Franklins giving those warning calls, and eventually it paid off. We found our elusive lazy leopard. I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned. Give it a like. Give it a thumbs up. And look out for the next episode. Stay safe.